And today's project is putting a skid plate underneath this 2021 Yamaha XT250. We found 3/8 inch aluminum from Flatland Racing. I'm just really not into putting a plastic skid plate on a bike. There are 4 places for bolts and 4 bolts. These guys I measured are 3 3/4 center to center, and these are 3 1/2 center to center. So that helped me figure out which goes where. I'm holding the camera in front of the rear wheel looking forward, and I went ahead and put the bolts in just to make sure that they were threaded. It looks like this skid plate was born to go on this bike. Again, I think we got smooth sailing. This is a nice quality product. Those welds are, I hope that a robot did those. I'd hate to think that there's a human being that good. You should see my welds. Oof. If you're following along at home, we're going to use a 1/4 inch drive and then a 1/4 inch adapter to put this 5/32 hex in there. It's real easy access to all 4 bolts, so this is going to be quick. The nice thing is all 4 holes are already threaded properly. Don't need any lock washers, I guess. Instructions don't call for any Loctite, so.
There are no instructions.
There are no instructions.
Instruction says, let's sure and talk about a knife that he bought.
So, not to overkill, but starting them by hand, tightening them down snug with the ratchet. Okay, James, how many of the bolts do you have in?
2.
2 down, 2 to go?
Yeah, although the 2 to go aren't working.
Okay.
Wait, move!
Like that?
Mama, move it. Hold it.
Yeah.
Exactly there.
James, how familiar are you with child labor laws in this state?
Pretty good one.